Alrighty, guys. Welcome to another day. I know it's Saturday. We're supposed to do a little bit of gaming today. However, we didn't finish the crypto, so we're gonna dive into that really fast so we could transition to the gaming. Welcome. This is my channel. My name is Jonathan. Some people call me Boricua or Boricua Pati. So however you like to call me, it's okay. Um, Whoever's new, don't forget to hit the like, the share, and the follow. Um, we're gonna, I know today was supposed to be all gaming, but we didn't finish yesterday the crypto. I was so busy. I had a lot of stuff going on. Wasn't able to, finish the crypto. But let's go ahead and dive into that right now. I'm gonna get to the third screen. And so, as you can see here, on my notes, I have Rismas to check. Um, and so this one was another. I said it was another one to watch. Seems like it's about to break out, and that was the day before. On the 14th. I was on the 14th. So on the 15th, it shows however it needs to pull back because it's extended versus the VWAP. Hold on a second, guys. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. Let me put it on. Be right back. So you guys, cause my wife gotta do some stuff in the room. Give me a second. There we go, guys. So we're back. We're back. It was very short. Sorry about that, guys. And so we go ahead and check Rismas. I had said on the 15, however, it needs to pull back because it's extended versus the horizontal. Oh, wait a minute. Waiting for a bounce off horizontal support for a possible test of downtrending resistance. Breakout to test high day, and that was on the 15th. I think it was on the 15th. So we're gonna analyze that right now, so we could dive it more deep into that stuff. Feel free to ask questions, anything like that. Also, don't forget to hit the like, the share, and the follow as well. I'm not sure if I said that before, but I'm mentioning it anyways. So Rismas, let's go ahead and check Rismas. Right here. Okay. So let's get back to the date that we checked. This was on the 14th, right? The 14th was this day. That we had scanned this. I'm not sure what happened here. Because I mean, it doesn't seem like something interesting. I think it was this day that we checked it, which is the 15th, but we kind of like got confused here. So let's just change the date so we could know, and I'm just gonna add it to the conversation here, to this text. And this, I'm just gonna change it to the new day, which is the 17th, 26, and it was we're having this conversation at 5:33 Pacific time. So audio is working and everything. So I had said another one to watch seems like it's about to break out, right? And so I guess I put it at this point. I put the mark right here because why? There's a confirmation pullback, right here. And so the highest point all those days, this is not this right here is it seems like it's something that happened but didn't happen. This happens a lot where you see some glitches in the in the charting. So this most likely didn't happen, this move. You know, it probably spiked up a little bit probably, but this is not the, you know, that's not the move that it did. It's a glitch, you know. So also you got to pay attention of the glitches as well, you know. So, you know, when you see stuff like that, it's most likely a glitch. So, but in this case, this this stock, this crypto, the next day on the 16, around 55, 50, somewhere at 1 in the morning or something. I gotta see the specific times, because this is already another time frame. Not a, I don't know if it's, I don't think it's specific because it would have show the same time that I'm seeing right now on my side. Uh, and not even Eastern, because Eastern it would have been a little bit more late on your side. So this is more like international time, like way out there in Europe or something. So I have to fix that eventually. But in this case, it made a move here, which you could have capitalized after a confirmation breakout. It could have been this one, or it could have been this one. I mean, the confirmation breakout, I mean, I would love for it to surpass the breakout line, because that's why it's called the confirmation breakout. Now, sometimes there's stocks that hover over the line, and sometimes you could count it in, you know, as a confirmation breakout. But in this case, you could have take either way. You mean you would have made some profit anyways, even with this candle or with this candle. I mean, my goal would have been 5 to 10%, and most likely I wouldn't take the 10%, you know, unless I feel good about it, you know. um Everything it has to do with the way I see the level 2, the way I see the level 3 and level 4. And so it will be good to study that, you know, so you guys can understand. Now the level 3, you like I won't able to show you guys, and the level 4 also on the how the charting system works, because the market is closed and it doesn't register anymore. It doesn't show any store history. Only at the market open, you know, when the market opens or pre-market, it shows some information. But yeah, I won't be able to do streams really early in the morning. Very busy. And so, but in this case, in the market close, I could show you guys how to find the stocks and how to a little bit, you know, show you guys a little bit of analysis of it. But there's a guy that shows both, you know. Well, you got the level 4, right, which is, you can find it in book map, right? I'll write it down on the description, book map, so you guys could, you know, look into it. Let me see, let me go ahead and write it in the chat really quick, book map, so you guys could see the level 4. But in their platform, I mean, they have YouTube and stuff, and uh I just I'm gonna link, I'm gonna go ahead and link the web, so you guys could go ahead and look it up. So it's already in the chat. I linked the book map, so you guys could see the level 4, how it looks and everything. So that would be good to see. Now level 3 is another one as well to look at. Level 3 is very important. Nasdaq does level 3. Nasdaq, I'm not sure if they I could give you the actual web where it's found. Let me see. Data, it's called Data Nasdaq Data Store. Okay, so this is, a lot of people have a hard time finding this. So and most people don't know about this. So you guys are getting something that, uh very important. So datastore.nasdaq.com. So that right there, you got the two links. I mean, that right there will get you a long way. If you could understand these two things, level 4 and level 3, man, you make damage. You make damage in the market, And so you could, I mean, you could learn on YouTube, from the bookmap, their channel. I mean, there's many people that I would explain there how to use it and how to look at it and how to analyze it. Now, on the level 3, I would recommend Fausto Puglisi, right? Very smart guy, has been trading way longer than I have. Let me go ahead and get the YouTube really quick set for you to show you guys really quick. Hold on a second, guys. And I mean, I'm giving you guys this information not because I'm being paid for it. I'm not being paid for it. I'm not promoting anybody. So, this is only for educational purposes also. But this guy right here would will show you all the things you need to know about level 3. So, and very simple to understand. So that will help you in your journey. So this is Fausto Puglisi's YouTube channel, which is Cyber Trading U as university. So he has a university, and he has people that subscribe to his stuff and show support as he shows people how to look at level 3 and stuff like that. And so the reason why I'm saying it's very important, level 3 and level 4, is because you don't want to trade in the market blind. You wanna know where the sellers are holding the price down as a resistance, and you also want to know where the buyers at, stacked up, pushing the price up at the support level. And so before you mark the support level, you got to understand where exactly the buyers are, because marking lines, I mean, I could do that all day, every day, but understanding where the buyers at, where or the sellers at, that's very important. And so if you could understand this little thing, it will take you very far in the market, and you could be more consistent with that. So that's one key thing I was gonna show you guys. So um, so you got a lot of people that wouldn't dare to show you this. This is very secret. A lot of people don't know about it, so now you know. So don't forget to show support, hit the like, the share, and the follow, guys. I would appreciate it very much if you guys do that. And so let's continue with the stocks. Let me take some things off here. And if the music is bothering a little bit, I could turn it off, so I could speak a little bit more clearly. Let me do something really quick here. Let me monitor off, and now I can, cause most of the time I have the music volume on, so I can hear it and see if it's too low, too high, if I'm speaking over it, or the music is over me, the sound. And so I have it most of the time on. So in case if the music is too loud, let me know. I could mute it and talk on my own. So let's go ahead and go to the continue to do this. And so Risma is the guy right there that we looking at, the crypto. And so it had a confirmation breakout, and you would have capitalized there. Now we had said it needs to pull back. Since we looked at it, it did need to pull back because it was a little bit extended. Um, you could either look at it from the perspective of the VWAP. If the VWAP would have show here, you could have see if it's too extended from the VWAP, or you could see if it's too extended from the support or the resistance level. So, well, in this case, it's the support level. So it's a little bit too extended from the support level as it broke out there. However, it does need to pull back, um, as people are taking profits. Eventually, they're going to catch up to the buyers, to the wall of buyers holding the price up. And so, let's go ahead and see the chart again. And okay, there we go. Now we can see it. And so as you can see, it pulled back, right? And it meet this is a support. It didn't hit the line because there's some support. There's a wall of buyers here holding the price up. And it's between that level right there and all this space, this clean space here. That's some buyers there with pending orders. And so you got the sellers they don't want to sell, they want to hold the price, so the buyers are there for the taking. And so they push the price up, and then it bounced off the declining resistance level. And so it's been having a consolidation for just one day, which was yesterday. um it did broke out the resistance, the declining resistance level. So I'm not sure if it's gonna turn around, which it's supposed to turn around and test the high day, which I expected it to do. But in this case, it's still consolidating. I'm not sure if it's gonna continue to consolidate to today. Most likely it probably test the support level and bounce off to test the highs of day. And so I had said waiting for a bounce off horizontal support for a possible test of downtrending resistance, um, breakout to test high day. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm expecting of it. Today, I mean, it bounced off the downtrending resistance. Um, I mean, it broke off of it, but it didn't do what I was expecting it to do, which is turn around and test a high day. It's just still consolidating. And so right now, we're still in on hold for this one. So, um, just all we gotta do is wait, see if it's gonna break down these levels. I'm gonna mark another trend line here because I just want to keep monitoring these levels here to see if there's a possible turnaround here. There's got to be right here is in between this a small amount of time. There's got to be a move here, either to the downside and maybe bounce off these. Once it breaks down the support level, it's over with. I'm not gonna pay attention of it because I don't trade when the stock doesn't run. I trade it when it does do these type of moves like this. When I see something like this where it's fluctuating, on the upside, that's kind of how I wanna nitpick the move, and take advantage of it. But in this case, it seems like it's declining. It's still at half of its gains, so we'll continue to watch it on Tuesday, because Monday it's already a holiday. So let's put today's date, the 17/10 is already 18 on their market hours. Will is still consolidating, and we'll wait wait for a bounce off support. Support to test highs of Friday. Wait a minute. Last Friday. That was Friday. Well, today's I'm tripping. Friday highs. Um, will it hold above support? And that's the question. And so Rismas, we're done with that one today. And so yesterday we scanned for new ones that we couldn't explain. SQT subquery network. So let's check SQT really quick. SQT subquery network right here. And so today it failed. It did break out today, which that's kind of what we were waiting for. We looked at it somewhere around this area here. So let's mark our confirmation pullback. This right here could be considered a small confirmation pullback, not a strong one. So we can mark that line. This is a confirmation pullback right here. This could be considered confirmation pullback right here as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. The other confirmation pullback would be right up here. And you could make a little slight one here, but it doesn't seem much relevant right now compared to these right here. So in this case, it did break out. Had a confirmation breakout. You would have got it right here. Right here. You see this confirmation breakout? I would have got in right here and got around, it went up to 5% and all the way to 8%. So that right there would have been a nice win. Up here would have been too extended, waiting for a breakout off these highs. You gotta pay attention of how extended the price is versus where the VWAP or the support levels are. Now, if it did break out and it just break out and it's off the support levels, then that's a good play. Now, if you're trying to get a breakout off the highs right here of the previous highs and not off a support level or the VWAP level, then you're playing with fire. Most likely it could turn around. And you could have a loss there. So so that right there, I put a high day, and after that, just sellers kept taking profit. They kept taking profit here, and it's almost done for. Yeah, this is no good right now. So this one we will take it off the list. It did what we wanted it to do, which was a breakout. We didn't roll it here, but that was the plan. For me, it's always the plan to look for a breakout. Some people would have got it off the bounce here. After the breakout, they would have waited for the bounce off either this support level here or the VWAP. Either way, you would have got you got in for a good profit there. After that, after you get the confirmation candle right there, the reverse the turnaround here. When you see a green candle that overshadows 2 or 3 bodies, not the wicks, the bodies, if it overshadows 2 bodies, then that will be a confirmation for a turnaround. And so you could have got in right here and put a little stop loss somewhere down here, 5% or something. And if you would have tolerated this candle right here, you would have got a little bit of profit there. This candle still was 2%, so it's not bad, either. But it's very short profit. But if you would have waited a little bit, you would have caught this right here, and you would have sold way before it hit this point right here, this high, and this move. And it not only bounced off of this uh VWAP, it bounced off the support level not only one time, it went down again, bounced off this support, it went up again. So that confirms that this VWAP is strong. And then it just eventually got broke down, because sellers were in charge here. They took a hold of this stock, of this crypto. So that was pretty much for this one. I would have loved to mark the lines here to show you guys where was the level here where we would have sold. So you would have marked, if you would have been seeing the stock over here somewhere, where we saw it the last time, then you would have marked these levels here, wait for a bounce, and caught it somewhere over here. Once you saw a candle, right, it overshadowed these two right here, three actually, three bodies. You would have got in here and took a profit. You could have waited till it hit this point, or before it hit the highs right here. You could have got out. So that would have been a nice profit too. So that right there is oh shit, was a good move. Let me leave that mark there. And so yeah, we're done with the SQT. SQT not good to watch for Tuesday. It's no longer running. K Sidekick is the next one. Sidekick. K Sidekick. And so K Sidekick today, I mean, yesterday had an interesting move. This was an excellent move. Right here, you would have got, this could have been a small little confirmation pullback. Let me mark confirmation pullback. This is very small, too small for me to mark it down. Now this right here was a nice confirmation pullback right there. It's usually, you'll see all these confirmation, these little small ones, is when you see something like a triangle, right? Like a tippity top part of the, like a triangle, right? When you see something clear like that in the chart, then you go ahead and mark and if the confirmation pullback shows up, then you mark the top of either side. As long as it close to it, you know. But when you see some, waves very small and you can't tell, whether it's a the top of the triangle or not, then I wouldn't mark it. I wouldn't use it. But in this case, this look clear. You see, it looked clear. A lot of green candles up and some red candles down. I would have marked that up. You know, Same thing with this one. You see clear, and then it went down. That's a perfect triangle there. That's pretty good. Not perfect, but it's good. So, once I marked that right there was tested. It went up, it broke out right here, and then it went down, bounced off of it, went up, and this turnaround, and then it got tested three times. One, two, and a couple times over here, so, and then it break out. And once it broke out, guess what was the next line that was strong? This one. Why? Because it got broken. And once it get broken, it becomes a support level. And what happened when it went up and it came down? It bounced off that resistance level. And then it took off way higher than what it's incredible move. Right here, you would have caught it right here at this confirmation uh move, and you would have got in here. Look, even these candles, 14%, all the way high to this point, 93%. Those are the kind of moves you could be taking. I mean, me, I would have waited for the breakout. The breakout, I would have took a little small profit here, but the true breakout would have been over here. I would have I would have loved to take it right here. Um, that was pretty awesome. But you have to have patience because crypto moves a little bit different, than the stocks. Um, and so it had a pretty good move. These highs right here on market, but right now it's not on play. It gave back half of its gains, and right now it's consolidating off the lows. So very unsure where this is gonna head out. This is another confirmation pullback. You see this triangle right here, right? And these two red candles. It could be either two red candles, or three or four, you know. And then you put the line, the resistance line, to the highest at closest candle, the highest one, which is this one, and in this case. And then you lock it up, and that stays saved there forever. Well, not forever, but as long as you have the account open, it'll stay here saved up. You sign in, and you can see and analyze and everything like that. And so off of these, it's been bouncing off of this level. Not on top of it, but it's like below it, and it's bouncing off of it. So that's a respectable line right here. If it breaks out, then most likely it will bounce off these levels as well, to try to test these highs or something. But in this case, it's no play. I don't like to see stocks that one day it goes high like this, which is great to trade, and then the next or the same day or the next day it just give away everything. Those type of moves, you know I don't like to see. I don't like to trade after a huge move like this. When it goes up like that and then it just gives everything away. I don't like trading in this area like this. So this one is gonna get off the list. So I'm guessing right now there's hardly anything. We could scan for new crypto, but then we're gonna have to do another episode because this is already yesterday's episode, which is a part 2. But NIB is the next one that we're gonna check. NIB, Nibiru, and so Nibiru, right, had a good move here, but guess what it did? It did exactly like the other one, but it did it the same day. It went up that day and just gave away everything. And so today it's just consolidating, and look, right now it had no, it tried to test a little bit, but it's very hard for it to get back up here. It's not trusted anymore. Right here, the people who are taking profit here are the people who bought right up here and held all the way for a loss. And now they taking well, this is not a profit. This is a loss, but they minimizing the loss. But they should have never hold. Well, once they bought this price up here and they saw it going a certain way, where it's going against them, they would have took their profit, and not their profit, like took the loss and be done with it. And so there was probably a lot of people that saw this spike and they got attracted to it, and that's pretty much a lot of incompetence that happens in trading, where people see this move like this and they're like, oh, it's going to keep going high, it's going to keep going high, and everybody buys right here. And then those who already bought down here took profit up here, and that group is the one making the money, and they all taking profit. And as the price goes down, the people who bought up here, they're like, oh my god, we're panicking, and they started selling, and those who still who noticed that, the ones that bought here, they're still taking profit down here, and it gets to the point where it's here, and those that are still up here, they're like, oh no, it's gonna turn around, it's gonna turn around. I mean, there's a photo I'm not sure if I could show it today, but I'm probably gonna show it this week, where there's like different emotions. There's like a stock chart, and it shows like different emotions that people go through when the at a certain level of the chart, and it's true. It's true, and so this right here, it's this uh selling up here. This is most likely people who bought it up here. They're trying to take the loss but minimize it. They saw this little spike right here, and they're like, okay, let me take a loss. It's not gonna hurt much, but I'm gonna take it. And so that's a loss right there. And some people also who got here, that they still didn't want to sell. And once they saw this move like this, they're like, oh my god, I should have sold up here for a profit. And once it made this little bounce right here, they just took a profit as well. So yeah, this right here is a goner. I wouldn't pay attention no more to it. Um, so that's kind of how everything works psychologically. I mean, I'm not a psychologist, but um, I mean, after watching this for so many years, that's kind of how the thoughts of people, what happens, in terms of what people think when they're trading and stuff like that. Um, but let's go ahead and show you guys how to find them. I'm not gonna list new today because we're gonna transition into gaming. But I'm gonna show you guys really quick how to find them. So you go to CoinMarketCap, right? And the first thing you want to do is, if you're not in this screen, you want to hit the title, right? And it's gonna take you exactly where we at right now. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay, yes, you guys can hear me. And you see this filter tab right here. You hit this, and you see this box right here. And like my criteria, which I'm gonna show you guys on Tuesday, it's the same. We go by the same principle. Market cap, which is the company total value. Total value of the company. Which is the market cap. We want to look at, especially in crypto, we want to look at anything from 1 million to 10 million, right? And with volume, which is the demand of the stock of the crypto, well, or the stock, you could, right here you put 1 million, right? Anything over 1 million and 100 million, right? And then percentage change, since crypto doesn't sleep, they, they work 24 hours. It moves 24 hours. So I want to see anything from 10% to 500%. Right. And so this is my criteria to find crypto, right? Very simple, not hard to understand. These type of crypto, you know, you catch them as they run. And so some of them have continuation moves, and so you could capitalize on that, but most likely these type of movers like this, these cryptos, they move very fast, so you have to be on top of them. If you're scanning right now for new crypto, those that you see right there, you have to trade them as you go, and so you have to know everything about it, the news, the daily chart, how the daily chart looks, does it has history of running, stuff like that, what the news is saying, does it has a recent news, did it posted a recent news, stuff like that, what are people saying on Twitter or the X platform, you know you need to do that little bit of analysis to confirm that is a okay crypto to trade, because you don't want to do fundamental analysis, but that will be taking too much time. By the time you finish with your fundamental analysis, the move already happened, and so you missed the move. So you have to focus on the technical side of it, and so right after you put all these filters, you click apply, and then you have new crypto right here. And so I like to sort out a 24-hour percentage, right, from high to low. And then you got all these movers. You got way more movers than yesterday. Look at this. Department of Efficiency, Doge Gov. So Doge is moving. Is this the real Doge? Not sure. I don't think so. This is another one, but some cryptos are created with some names to attract people and stuff like that. So you gotta be careful which ones are you trading. This right now doesn't seem like it's yeah, this is junk right here. Yeah, I don't want to see. You see all these are not moves. These are just glitches from the charting. So you gotta be careful what you're trading. You want to see something clear, very clear. And so this one has shown up again. So this one show up like 3 times, but look what's happening. You see all these glitches? Not good. Not good to see. Um, this one right here. See, now you see more clear. See, now this one will be a better choice right here. I would wait for the breakout, right? Or when it breaks out, would wait for a pullback bounce off the resistance line, which is this point right here. So I would have waited for that. But that's a pretty decent move overall. I mean, this is the back end of the move. This was the front end of the move. This would have been a better choice right here, but you guys missed it. That was in January 10, a couple days ago. So you guys missed it. Missed the move. That's a confirmation pullback. This wouldn't be too perfect. This is a perfect confirmation pullback. See, it looks like a triangle. This right here would have been a good move right here. There, and some people would have got it at the breakout, but realizing that this is a 1 hour chart, so there would have been good opportunity here for, let me see, fear. I know I'm getting off course a little bit, but just showing you guys how things work. So this is the confirmation pullback that we were watching, and so look at the opportunity there. That's the opportunity I'm talking about. 33%. Excellent move. Not only there, you could have made profit. Once it pulled back and bounced off the resistance line, you could have got this move right here. 10%. Not only it bounced once, it bounced again. And it hasn't looked back again. And so now it's going up. So man, the stock market is full of surprises. There's always, every day there's opportunity to make money. You just gotta understand the game and capitalize, you know. But this is pretty much it, guys, for this crypto session right here. This episode, which is episode 28. I was gonna write 29, but I didn't want to make it a new episode because this is part of yesterday. So um we're not gonna add these. We'll add some on Tuesday. So we're gonna miss all these moves, and if all these show up, then that means there were great opportunities to take this weekend. So let's go ahead and take these off and leave page. And so now we got a blank screen right here. I'm gonna go in a little. I'm gonna be on the intermission session, right? I'm gonna put that there for a couple minutes because I'm gonna load up the game. I have to take the music off because the music from the gaming, I've been getting dinged on the YouTube and stuff like that, and so I don't wanna. I wanna test it out just one day how it works. If if it seems fun or not to do it that way. If not, then I'll put the music and then I'll just deal with the removal of the music afterwards or something, you know, because that I don't know what's going on with that. Why I'm getting dinged, you know. Um, and so let's go ahead and take this off, and whoever's watching, thank you for watching and showing support. Don't forget to hit the like, the share, and the follow. Repost the stream as well. I would appreciate it very much. Also I take the X platform. I use it for I share a lot of people's streams and stuff like that, their content. And so, that's a good way to show some support as well, to share my content there as well. Also, I have a like goal here of 2. So if you guys could hit the like and show support there, I would appreciate it very much. Um, and we're almost at 100. We're 50 already, 50 follows. So whoever follow me, I appreciate it very much. At the end of the month, I'm gonna go ahead and mention every follower of this month, like I did last month, and that's my way of showing love and appreciation. And so let's go ahead and put this on the intermission screen really quick so I could do the load up
Yeah.
and so I'm gonna leave the music on.
Cerrando la zona.
Aquí está arriba este puto. Ah, shit.
Well, it's not
Onta,
gonna be on. It's not gonna be on, but since I'm gonna do the gaming, it's gonna be on. For a minute, but I'm gonna wait until it starts playing. So hold on a second, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, okay. So this, let me take these off.
I'm reloading.
4, 5, and this is 6. Okay. All right. I'm gonna mute everything. I'll be right back, guys. Can you hear me guys now? Well, I hope you guys do. But we finished some of the things. Let's see if why this is glitching. Just weird. Let me go ahead and okay. So we got the gaming stuff there. Says window capture, game capture. Let's do the game capture thing. Hold on a second, guys. Let me fix this really quick. There we go. So we got the game stuff here. Cranky. Somebody posted something. But I can't. The bad thing about this is I cannot find a way to remove this thing here. So be careful about this thing here. I'm not gonna. I don't know why it doesn't let me hold on a second, guys. Here. I'm not gonna. I don't know why it doesn't let me okay. Oh, so that was Twitch. Let me go to Twitch. Somebody from Twitch post something there. Let me remove that really quick. Hold on a second, guys. I don't know how to. I'm very follow invite. Okay, so let's do that. Are we able to remove this message? All right. Well, I guess that not working a little bit well. I did block the person, but let's go ahead and continue. So this in the screen is showing. However, in order for me to play this, it's gonna go on full screen, and I'm not gonna be able to watch the chat. I would like to watch the chat. So everything is working right now. However, this right here is not working here. It says window when enabled. Pause the game with the 3 things there to unlock the mouse cursor for other windows. This one, it says enable to display the game at full screen. Okay, no, we don't want to have that at full screen. So, okay, I guess we fixed it. Finally. And so where's the mouse? Why is it not moving? Hold on a second, guys. There we go. Now it's work. Now I could move. Oh, what I just do? Oh shit. Now I can see. Let me put this a little wider. Here we go. I'm not sure how you guys see this. I'm gonna check right now. So you guys see it clearly with the chat and everything. Okay, so everything's working. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, guys. So we'll continue our episode. There we go. Okay, guys. So we're back in the game. Okay, so let's continue. Confirm the load, and we're on to the next episode, which is episode 3 of our stuff. It says long time ago in galaxy far away or something. I didn't even see the last thing. Okay, guys, don't forget to hit the like, share, and follow. This is a great community. We help each other. You know, if you follow me, I'll follow you. You know, especially if you have content or anything like that, I'll help you guys as much as I can. Episode 2, Attack of the Clones. So that's where we at right now. And let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Mace Windu, it says in the bottom. I like Mace Windu. One of the best warriors, Jedis in the game, in the movie too, in the story. Let's say that. And so, what was our mission? It says travel to Geonosis to rescue Obi-Wan. Okay, so Obi-Wan needs a rescue.
You need to get across the planet? I'm your droid.
Yes, I need to get across the planet.
Safe travels, friend.
Safe travels. So, I have a goal of 2 likes today. If you guys could hit the like and help me complete that goal, I would appreciate it. Let's see what else. Where else we go? So we gotta go this way. Just so you guys know, I didn't play the game after I finished streaming last Sunday. So whatever you guys are watching here is just a continuation of what we left out last Sunday. So let's do it. Damn, that was a nice hop. And so travel to Geonosis. Yes, we want to. And we want to go to Stalgessin Hive. So that's our mission. I wish it could show it. I wish it give you the power to move the aircraft and go up space and move. I mean, we'll definitely get there in the future. Probably they'll come up with something, but that would be awesome for the game. So we're now here. So also, whoever I have right now is Mace Windu. We're collecting some stuff here. There you go. Collecting those. Who knows what we find after hitting all this stuff. Okay, there we go. And another one. Okay, so we got some decent money here. Okay, so where are we going? This way. There's some guys up there. I don't know what it is.
Take them down before they can report back to their master. These should be no trouble.
Boom, 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 boom. Damn. So they're done. Got rid of those guys there. What's up, guys? You wanna fight? There you go. You two wanna fight? I'll fight you two. You two. Yeah. There you go. So we took care of those guys. Save Obi-Wan. It says let's go rescue Obi-Wan, but in the movie we have to rescue 3 people. I think it was, or 2 people. Well, 2 people actually, because Anakin was not there. I think a Star Wars level. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it, guys.
We decided to come and rescue you. Good job.
He said, "Good job." Oh, that's an ugly guy right there. Oh my god. I like Lego. It's so funny to watch.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
Just relax. Concentrate.
What about Padme?
She seems to be on top of things.
Okay, there we go. So Padme, I need you to help. Oh, there we go. So we unlocked that. Let's do. Whew, almost died there. Let's unlock. There you go. Got him out. Come up.
Good
Head
job.
up.
Really, this time.
Oh shit. Up, up, up. Head up. What are you doing? Kick it. Punch it. There you go. So I release all 3. So now what are we gonna do here?
First, Master.
Take your pick. I'm not too fussy.
Oh, we
Dodge
stretched them.
claws you have.
Okay. Oh shit. I forgot how I fought these people.
I don't think it can take much more.
Shit, I gotta remove. Let's try to defeat this. Ooh, let's get out of here. I wish I could throw these things right here. Can I?
It's getting weaker. Let's keep at it.
Whew. Let's defeat it. Let's defeat it. Let's defeat it. There you go. I can't see clearly. Like my sensitivity is so low. I'm so used to Call of Duty and stuff. My god, they're gonna kill me.
That's it. Let's keep going.
Did we did it? Did we defeated it? Oh shit, I just attacked this guy. Sorry. Sorry. Did we kill it? Let's defeat this little monster right here. And you two. You two. You two gonna defeat it. Are we supposed to do something with this monster? Oh my god. Ooh. Almost got killed. Here we go, almost done. Yep, dead.
Just one left now.
One left. Come on, boo. You wanna attack? Ooh, move. There you go. Let's attack him. See if we kill him. There you go. And we kill them. All of them. Yeah.
Master Windu.
Hope you guys can hear me clearly.
This party's
Let me see if I could up the volume of the music, because I don't want to. Well, I'll lower it a little bit so it won't bother you guys from hearing the. Mace Windu. Oh, what happened to him? Mace Windu to the rescue. Damn, I just shot that guy.
Look around.
There you go.
It has already begun.
I'm the best. Let's go, guy. You want some too? I'll give you some too. Django Fate. I'll fight me, I fight you.
Bounty hunter.
I'll fight you. Where you at? Where you at?
Is clever and well prepared.
Well, he's up against one of the most skilled Jedi alive.
You mean me or you?
Damn, he almost killed me. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at?
It takes more than fireworks and a jetpack to defeat a Jedi.
You tell him, Master Windu.
Yes, thank you, Master Mundi. Supportive as always.
I should hit those guys. There you go. Where's the other one? Oh shit, he shot me. Let's break off. There you go. That's what you get. That's what you get, guys.
We have no such
That's what you get. You're not gonna get up from that.
would insult me more.
Oh, you trying to get away from me. Fine. Here you go. Boom. You're not gonna get out of this. Oh yeah, he's done for. Oh yeah.
Look out!
What? Did that whole machine went on top of it? Yoda with the rescue. If he only knew he was with the enemy at the point. Poor son had to watch his dad get killed.
The Jedi have amassed a huge army.
My master will never allow the Republic to get away with this treachery.
My master won't let it get away from this
I will
treachery.
take the designs to Coruscant. They will be much safer there.
Whoever's watching, thank you for showing support over here. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and follow if you're new, especially. Damn. Can't see nothing. Who was that? That fell? I don't know who fell. I think it was Padme.
Don't let your personal feelings get in the way. Follow
This
that speeder.
this movie was so good, like in terms of like acting was so good. I still to this day I'm shocked. Okay, Anakin, I need you to do some work here since you're the best at fighting. Continue with the story.
We must follow Dooku into that stronghold up ahead.
Let's do it.
We have a job to do, Anakin. What do you think Padme would do if she were in your position?
She would do her duty.
She would do her duty. Well, he should have let her do her duty. Okay, let's go. And we gotta get up all the way up top. Okay, so let's do that. Try to get there as fast as possible.
How are we gonna get up there, Master?
Easy.
There's something in that wreckage we can use. Come.
Okay, let's get some more money.
Good to see you're alive.
Hey, what's up?
Following Dooku this way, but we took a direct hit. Knocked us out of the sky like a sack of Corellian spuds. This gunship
Okay, let's see
is
what can we
juice
build
so
now.
If you need it for parts or Jedi business, help yourself.
Am I supposed to bounce off of this? Oh yes, I am. Okay, one. Why doesn't? Oh, so I just leave it alone. There we go. So we on top, and we're going pretty fast with the missions, guys. Looking pretty interesting. I wish I could have like the normal music from the game. I don't know why I'm getting copyrighted issues from it, but you know, it is what it is. I'll try to figure this thing out eventually this week and see if I can fix that. If the music sounds a little loud, don't forget to you know, let me know on the chat or the comments or anything like that if you guys hear the noise. What is this guy doing?
We're trapped.
Oh hell nah. That's funny.
It is imperative that Dooku does not escape. We can worry about our exit later.
Yes, Master.
Yes, master.
Which way shall we proceed, Master?
It matters not. So long as
Okay,
we
so we
reach
can't
Dooku
break
before
that.
he leaves the
We can
planet.
break this. Can't break none of these. Okay, let's see. Can we break the wall? No, we can't. Okay, so what is this? Pick up? Oh, that's for that machine. Okay. Oh, that's for that. Okay. We call this. You never know, there's some stuff in there. Alrighty, so let's lift this thing up and put it in the machine right there. See what can it do. Fit. Carmen Rios say everything looks good. Hey, how are you? Doing good. Thank you for coming and showing support. Appreciate it very much. There we go. Now I went in. Oh, now we made a wall, and now people come in here to fight. They just signed their death sentence. There we go. Man. Yeah, Mannequin is just destroying everybody. And I got an extra life. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? There you go. So we got this test is I don't know if I can break it. No, I can't break that. And these are for what? Oh, to get up there? Okay. Let's do that. So it wants to go up here. Fine. Oh, I just took it off. The audio is good too. Oh, thank you for letting me know. I thought I was a little worried about that because I was like, oh my god, like maybe the audio is not working properly. This thing just, I don't know if I could get on top of this here. I just put that, I just made a mess. Oh no, I can't get up top like that. Unfortunately. Let's see if I can get. Oh my god. I don't think I'll be able to make it. put it a little bit up here, maybe. Man, I'm making a mess here. That's crazy. Oh, thank you, babe. Okay. Alright. My wife served me some food. Unfortunately, it's a good timing though, but man, I still have like a whole stream, but I'll probably eat it along the way, guys. Sorry if I look crazy eating or something, but it's okay. Oh. Man, I still can't get up top of there. Am I able to do something? Obi-Wan, you just standing there, no help at all, and I'm doing all the job. Oh, we just got some fast food from what do you call that? From the Kentucky, I think it was. Look, I don't know if you guys could see it. Hold on a second. Look. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. So let's go ahead and oh my god, look at me. Now you know I didn't mess with Legos back in the day. I was most in the campo over there in Puerto Rico. Okay, what's next? Put it on top. There you go. Oh. Okay. And I could put this up top here like this, I guess. Now, how the hell I'm gonna get up there though? I guess there's something else here? Or can you help me, Obi? Can you please help? Oh, you just walking away from me? Okay. Fine, okay. You just hurt my feelings. Oh my god. I can't get up there. Let's see if I find something else. Oh, come over here really quick. Thank you. Don't drop, don't drop. There you go. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's not working. That up here. Let's see if I could find something else to put on top. Who knows? There's something special. Oh, that'll be perfect. It's a little higher. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Carmen Rios. What? He breaking it, bro. What is wrong with you? Like, I'm trying to do stuff here and you breaking stuff. You don't want me to finish the mission? That's what you want? That's why we became enemies, because you trying to get in my stuff in my relationships and everything. Okay, let's see if we could get on top this time. Ooh. There we go. Finally. After almost 30 minutes in this. So, there we go. And got this set. Breaking this. Who knows what we can find. That's why we breaking it. And for the money too. Get the money. That little pointy thing was like, oh, let's go, we're done with this. Okay, so R2 needs to come and help us later, maybe. Just kill Anakin. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, Anakin. Are you supposed to destroy all this, maybe? Okay. Okay, there we go. Do we need to hit this? Okay. There might be something that I might need here? No. Find route to Dooku Hangar. It says there's a lot of stuff here that... Oh. Breaking. Maybe there's something special by breaking all these, maybe. Here we go. Not that. There you go. Broke that. Broke this too. There you go. Wonder. Oh, there we go. Now we finished that. And by the end of this stream, we're gonna get so much money with the all this collecting these coins and stuff. 22,000 for this episode. That's crazy. Okay, so we broke that. We broke this top one. Now we get what we get to do here. Attach. Or climb up. Okay, jump. Now that goes down. And now that opens all these things here. Okay. Jump.
Sure you're flexible enough for this, Master? Boy, I have the agility of a wild possum.
Here you go. He said he had the ability of a wild what? I didn't even hear it. It matched. And now we jump. I have good eyes. You saw me climbing up there and everything. Here you go. You want some? And he would have been done for already. Here you go. Here we go. Oh, I guess that machine is running still. See what can we do here. Obi-Wan, yeah, just fight with that guy, cause I've been doing all the work. You got me doing all the work here. Collect all that money. Okay, so this is down here. What happened with Obi-Wan? Did they kill him? Obi-Wan. Oh. Okay, so let's see we could. Oh, so once I kill him, I could get on top of that thing that's moving. Okay, so I kill that, and then I gotta get on top. Okay, there we go. Oh, jump again, and it's moving, and then I'm good. I did that. Let's take this out. This kind of remind me of the there was a similar Star Wars game.
That's too odd.
Forgot what it was, the name Storm or I forgot what it, I'm not even gonna mention it because I might kill it. I might kill the or butcher the name or something. But yeah, it seems similar. It's like the whole construction is like very similar. So I gotta do like a hole or something to open this. Boom. We got that down. Okay, Count Dooku, we found you.
Trust your Padawan behaving himself?
We'll take him together. You go in slowly on the left.
I'm taking you now.
No, Anakin, no!
My Jedi powers are far beyond yours. Now back down.
I don't think so.
Count Dooku, I'ma take you out. Let's do this. As soon as I said let's do this, he just there you go. He's trying to fight me. Like 70 years old, dude. Okay. Got you. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, don't do this. I'm amazed by Obi-Wan, cause look at Obi-Wan. He ain't do nothing this whole fight. He just let me do this by myself. There you go. He's afraid now.
I'll let the locals have their fun with you first.
Fight as yourself, Dooku. Or are you tired already?
Nah, he's afraid.
Trying to rile us
He's
up.
afraid of me. And Obi-Wan still stuck there, didn't do anything. I'm killing all the guys here.
It's futile being down here. We must get him back on our level.
Okay. So what I'm supposed to do here? Oh, still use the Force? I'm supposed to take all this down. Oh, I took it off. Okay. So now with the sword, I get to attach, right? I guess. Boom. Okay, so let's go up, side, up, left. So we back. Okay. Ooh, he lucky.
They've interfered with our affairs for the last time.
So why it doesn't let me change to Anakin? That's weird. Oh wow. Man, if I knew I could have done that, I would have used.
I warned you that my skills surpassed yours.
I would have used Obi-Wan this whole time if I could have. Look at that. But I'm almost dead though. Woo! I could throw the thing too. Look, you see? I got you. Woo! He mad now. Woo! Let's get out of here. Woo! Woo! He running. He running. What are you doing?
Flee from us, Dooku. Are you scared?
That's what I was saying. He's scared. There you go. Now you gotta come down and fight us.
Slow learner.
See, now Obi-Wan has to do some work. That's good to see. Okay.
We have to get him back down here.
Yep. He's gonna come down now. Do I have to shoot? He would have been dead already. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Use the Force now? gotta come down.
I've had enough of this mild interruption.
Of course, that's fine. All this money. Money, money, money. Woo! Again. I'm good too at this. Woo! I got him. Oh. Don't touch my student. What? Attack him. There you go. Oh.
You have become Dooku.
Ooh, Yoda.
In you.
Let's get it.
Powerful than any Jedi. Even you.
Much to learn.
Much to learn. Let's get it. Let's get it, Yoda. Oh, he killed Yoda. That was the fastest match ever.
Master Yoda, how are we going to reach him?
An ally to us.
Okay, and let's take that off too. Let's get up there. Okay, Yoda. There you go, Yoda. I'm stronger than you. Oh well. He just kicked me out of the that platform. Oh, I like the green. My favorite color. You have much to learn, Anakin. Just like I said when you were little. Right there. Boom. Got you. Oh man, he just blitzed me. I can fight too. There you go. And he blocked it. He blocked all of them. Damn. Woo. There you go. You got him. That's it. Ooh. Ooh, he almost killed Obi-Wan. Oh, oh, no arm.
Thought well you have, my old Padawan.
This is just the beginning.
Man, that aim assist,
Anakin,
terrible. Anakin, you got no arm now. Well, no hand. You gotta fix it.
Welcome home, Lord Tyrannis.
Dark Sidious.
You have done well.
I have good news for you, my lord. War has begun.
Excellent.
War has
War
begun.
is going as planned.
Of course, brother. Kim3 said, follow me and I follow you back. Brother, no problem. Thank you for showing support. Thank you for showing support. That's him. Kim3. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to have content or something? Because I don't see no content. But I followed you, so appreciate it too. Show support over here. Come over here. Don't forget to hit the like and share the stream as well. I would appreciate it very much. So let's continue. Let's continue. That was it? Man. It said 30 Phantom and Menace. We did this one. Now we get to do the Revenge of the Sith. This episode was fast. So, oh, we unlocked the New Hope as well. Let's do this one. But I guess, well, it says 52% on the other one and this one 6%. Because the thing is that I probably didn't like unlock some like secret stuffs. Since we're like running, doing the missions first, the storyline. So that's why we over here passing these really fast. Revenge of the Sith. I forgot to read that thing. It went so fast, but it's less. It's the paragraph is not that long, so I could have probably read half of it. Now the graphics are so good. Whoever made this game, and I was gonna do research on who made this game here.
Master, General Grievous's ship is directly ahead.
You guys are the best. I never thought I'd make it to retirement, but here I am.
R2, locate the Chancellor. The Chancellor's signal is coming from the observation platform at the top of that spire.
R2, stay here and guide us.
So the game was developed by Travelers Tales and published by Warner Bros. Games. I didn't know Warner Bros. Games had a gaming platform where they were publishing games. I didn't know that. Maybe I'm too incompetent in that area. Intruders. We got that.
Get us out of here.
Do we need to open anything else? Oh, I'm sorry, Obi.
You shouldn't have doubted him, Master.
Master.
You fell right into our trap. We
Yep.
win.
You win? Are you sure? Are you sure you win? There you go. You sure you win?
No way you're getting past us.
There you go. Why you running? Why you running?
Now then, R2, lead the way.
There you go. Oh, you running, you running. Got you. There's some money in here. Supposed to grab, but I guess we're building. There you go. Let's break all this. Okay. Break all this. Do we have to build here? No, we don't. That machine says something. And who's this is for the other machine. I guess this is not for us. Let's go up. Break this. Damn. My square is like all jacked up. There you go. Boom. 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 Oh, so this is solid. I gotta lift this up and...
Where to now, R2?
Can I break this? Or this one? Oh! Thank you for the follow, Kim3. Appreciate it very much. So we got, I guess we have like 51 follows already. So, oh my god, I've been exploding on and on and on. What are you talking about? He typing on the... There you go. How you running? Now this I gotta blow it up. Now that I know. And I left this, and what I'm supposed to do with this? What I'm supposed to do with this? Oh, this cannot pass the green line. Okay, so where I'm supposed to go then? Maybe here? Do I go up and have to do something here? Oh, never mind. Wait a minute. I gotta move it over here. And I'll go up here, and I probably gotta jump over it. It's okay. I'll wait to, I gotta build something, I guess. Something is jumping, like I gotta build it. Okay, there we go. So we got that. I didn't know you could do that. See, he's hiding right there against the... Damn, you could do that? I didn't know you could do that. Oh, the money. Okay. We got that situated. R2 needs to come over here and deal with this thing. But R2's not here yet. I think you gotta do like I gotta do like a separate mission with R2. But let's do this thing really quick. I know I'm gonna die at the first try. Oh, I didn't die. Get the money. Money. Here comes the money. Money. That was I remember that was Shane McMahon's intro back in the day in WWE. I don't know if you guys remember. I used to love wrestling with a passion, man. Let's explode these right here. See if we can get more money. Oh, we got one of these. Forgot what they call them, but
We are close. Sense Count Duke.
one. And this green panel, what this does. So I gotta pick up one of these. Okay, and where I gotta situate it at. Oh, it took off the shield. Okay, cool. So we got that freed. Thank you guys for showing up. Anybody new, don't forget to hit the like, the share, and the follow. We'd appreciate it. We're almost at 100. 100 follows. That's what I meant to say. We have 51 follows, so I would appreciate it if you're new to hit the follow and support my channel. This is more dedicated for showing people how to find stocks and crypto and everything. We talk about stocks and everything, but on the weekend we do a little bit of gaming to have fun and stuff like that. So that's where we at right now. Am I gonna blow all these things? Okay. What else? Maybe down there? Yeah, that thing gets all the way. I could throw that thing very far. Let's get the money, let's get the money, let's get the money. They didn't even know we were coming. There you go. Oh. Money, money, money. I forgot who was this. Paula 1966 says, hello, I have a question. Paula 60, do you think Keanu Reeves will play a great Darth Revan? I'm not sure. I have no clue. Just to be honest, this is very embarrassing, but I have no clue who's Darth Revan. I'm gonna look him up right now too. Maybe I've seen him, but I'm not sure.
Good. Twice.
And this is embarrassing to me because I'm playing Star Wars here. Google.
You can always count on the count.
Hold on a second, Dooku. Wait a minute. Darth Revan. Oh, okay, I got you. I think he would. There's some aspects. Ooh. I think he would be a good and there's some stuff here showing Keanu Reeves as well. So I think it would look like it he would play a good a knight here. It says Revan is a legendary Star Wars character, a Jedi Knight who fell to dark side, became a Sith Lord known as Dark Revan, and led a new Sith empire before being redeemed and helping to defeat it, symbolizing the struggle between light and dark. Yeah, and I see some of these images. I'm not sure if I can show you guys these images because I don't know if it's part of the like copyright issues or something. But they're pretty cool. They're pretty cool. I'll suggest you guys to look at that. But yeah, I think he would play a good Dark Revan. Thank you for showing up, and don't forget to hit the follow and support my channel. Thank you for the question. So let's continue. Oh shit, he grabbed me. Let's go. Ooh.
Get out, young catch for him. He's a Sith Lord. Chances have
Sith Lord. Ooh. Ooh. Let's get him. Let's get him. Now it's my time to finish him. Let's get it. Boom. Why are you running? Why are you running? He always be running. Like he's scared of us. Damn, these machines almost killed me. Ooh. Ooh. My fighting skills have improved. There you go. Dooku, you cannot escape from me. I'm greater than you. Woo, let's go. Boom. Boom, boom. I wish there was like a charge up way to swing. To swing like more powerful moves or something. So he got... Ooh! Almost got me. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, he almost swinged at me. Ooh! Almost got him. Ooh! You're not gonna kill me. Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Got him. Almost. Ooh! Ooh! He always running. He knows where he's about to die. Boom. Why you running? Why you running? Got him. Got him. It's so interesting to see how everything was put together in a Lego form. Oh. Woo. He's already on his second life. He's about to lose. Oh, he got me on that last swing. Oh, got him. Like he got me in twice because I took his two. Oh my God.
General Grievous. Not this time.
Yeah, like when I took those two hands, that was like revenge total. Man, in real life, they would have been dead instantly. They should have photo.
Strap yourselves in.
This is one of my favorite parts too in this movie because they're about to land this. This ship was crashing. They cannot break it. Hit the brakes or something.
I'm appointing you to be my
And they, out of all of that, they survived.
Jedi Council. The Council elects its own members. They'll never accept this.
I think they will. They need you
Another happy landing.
more than you know.
Excuse me, guys, for eating in the middle of the stream. I know
Surely with
it seems a little bit unprofessional, but my wife brought me some food, and so I don't want to be disrespectful to not eat it.
As long as Grievous is alive.
Oh, Anakin.
Miss you, Padme.
Something wonderful is happening.
He said, "I miss you, Padme," and he's eating us.
That's wonderful.
That's funny.
What are we gonna do?
Anakin!
I don't care if they know we're married.
Anakin! Come, Anakin. Our presence is required at the Jedi Council.
Well, he's being a father figure to him. That's why he's acting that way with him.
Personally appointed to the council by Palpatine. What an honor.
Of course, Master. It'll be interesting to see what all of you old Jedi get up to in there.
We aren't all as old as Yoda, you know. But with age comes wisdom, Anakin. Never
With
forget.
age comes wisdom. You heard that, guys. You
Can't
heard
wait to
that.
finally put an end to this war.
One step at a time, Anakin.
So, let's see. Report to the Jedi Council. I don't see no Well, the only big building here is this. Will this be the Jedi console? Well, let's see here.
You need to get across the planet?
Right.
I get through it.
Jedi Temple. Oh, I guess that's where we going, to the Jedi Temple.
Where
And so you see, guys, we have like one in the bottom of the word, the places, the locations. We have all those different type of missions that we have to do. I know I've been going past these on all of them. I think we'll do. I mean, if you guys want me to do those, I could do them. Well, right now I'm doing the storyline, so bear with me, guys. But I am paying attention of those things. You know, back in the day when I was playing more Lego, like I would go through those very fast. Like I would try to do every single one of those side missions. But in this case, we're doing just we're passing through the storyline really quick. So whew, I almost choked there. I was like, I was trying to like eat as silently as I can, but man, I almost choked. Shit. Excuse me, guys. Holy.
There you are. Shall we commence this meeting of the Jedi Council?
Also, if you guys want me to add extra music, like extra other stuff, so you guys won't get bored hearing the same thing on and on and on, let me know, because I'm well, eventually I'm gonna do some playlists. I just gotta download I gotta download Audacity and put all these songs on a playlist and make it as an MP3, so I could then send it out here and you guys could hear a bunch of music. I just don't want, I'm just testing this so that to see if I get a copyright hit or something like that. If I don't, then I'll do that stuff where I'm putting the playlist and you guys could hear extra stuff.
I agree.
Aye.
What about the droid attack on the Wookiees?
Yoda will take a battalion of clones to reinforce the Wookiees on Kashyyyk.
Kashyyyk.
May the Force be with us all.
May the Force be with you, too.
Commander Cody reporting for duty, sir. What's our mission?
To locate General Grievous, we'll fly to the planet Utapau for now. There we can.
My friend, you're too close to me, brother.
Copy that.
There you go. That's what you need. I need you to be like 5 feet from me. Don't be too close to me, because that looks a little weird, my friend. There you go. So I guess we still what we got to do here, travel to Utapau in pursuit of General Grievous. So we're gonna do that mission. So North Landing Pad, that's where we gotta go.
Have a smooth trip. Hope
So
you don't get raided on
let's
the
do
way.
that really quick. Okay, let's do this. Oh, look at that alien looking guy. What's up, my brother? Cool. Damn, we have 429,000 coins. In real life, I would have been a rich man. So we go into Utapau Space or Pau City. Let's go to Pau City because that's part of the mission. That's a cool looking ship too. Pretty cool. I don't know if we saw that in the movie. Utapao City. So let's continue with the
A
mission.
welcoming committee. How civilized. Let's introduce.
I guess they're trying to be civilized. So let them be. It's okay.
Greetings, young Jedi.
I should like to use your city as a base, as I search nearby systems for General Grievous.
He is here. 10th level. Thousands of battle droids.
Call for backup.
It won't be long before the armies of the Republic track us here. I am sending you to the Mustafar system in the Outer Rim.
In the Outer Rim.
Hello there.
General Kenobi.
Salsa.
Your move.
Ooh.
I have been trained in your Jedi arts.
Oh, he's doing a lock. Hip hop, lock and pop. I will deal with this Jedi slime myself. Okay, let's do it.
Talking to you, sir.
Yes,
You ready?
I believe so.
Woo. Oh wow, this guy could fight. Woo. 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 I gotta be careful with this guy. It's just me and him, so at least I don't have to worry about paying attention to Anakin or something. Woo. Let's get out of here. Blocked. Damn. Oh, you got 4 arms, so woo. Gotta be careful. Ooh, he almost killed me. Ooh. Ooh. That's the key, to get in and get out. That's how my dad taught me when I was when I was a boxer. Get it, you know, throw punches in and get out as fast. You know, get hit, don't get hit, you know? We got an arm. Yes, now we gotta deal with 3. Man, look at that cockroach.
Looks like he has backup.
Woo.
Engaging target.
What is this supposed to do? Oh, now we got it. Now we can focus on defeating the droids. Okay, let's kill the droids now. I'm doing better at this game.
We mustn't lose sight of General
Okay.
Grievous.
Yes, we can't lose sight. Let's get this guy to pull this thing. Okay, my friend. Oh, I just did it wrong. But I opened the portal or whatever. Well, this guy wants to leave already. Ooh, I like this scene. Yep, got you. Ooh, you almost got me there. Ooh. He's swinging more often though. Boom, boom, boom. Got you, got you. Ooh. Oh my god. Obi-Wan is so good right now. Let's get it, Obi. Come on.
You're Dooku's glorified errand boy.
There you go. Now we took 2 arms away. Now we got 1 more. He's gonna get worried. He's gonna lose both arms. Don't run. Why are you scared? Why are you saying droids attack? There might be a way where you could press a button where it's focusing on one character only to fight, or maybe it doesn't do that. Maybe, but I would love to see that. Okay, let's jump, and now we back to fighting this guy. And press that, and it's on, and it released that. What's up, Dooku? Not Dooku. General Grievous. Oh hell no! This robot is not gonna defeat me. Here you go. You guys are gone. Now what I'm gonna do? What I gotta do here? Ooh. Boom. Got this open. Ladder. Okay. Go up there, Obi. Let's get this fugitive. There you go. Damn, he got up there fast. Okay, General. I know you mad, man. Ooh. What happened there? Damn, he really want me to die. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, let's get to the other one. Almost there. Okay, we got there. Boom. Ooh, what's happening? He's... Ooh. Oh, he almost killed me. Lucky. Let's get him. He's almost at his last life. Ooh. Almost got me there. Ooh. I'm trying to defeat him as fast as possible. Ooh. Got you. Woo! He only got one arm now. I don't know what he's gonna do with himself. He's gonna start freaking out. He's laughing. He's losing me laughing. That's funny. Thank you guys for showing up. Whoever else is watching, don't forget to show support, hit the like, share, and follow. We got one more like to hit the goal for today. If you guys can hit the like, I would appreciate it very much. To hit that goal for today of 2 likes. Not hard to do. There you go. There you go. Okay, so what do we gotta do here? Lift this thing and put it up there. And what else? Put this one too. Up here maybe. There you go. And there's nothing else. Maybe through here. Oh shoot. There you go. Now go up. And then
You're in trouble now.
you guys are in trouble, not me. See how fast I defeated you guys? He's getting better, and I haven't even upgraded yet these characters.
We need to draw Grievous out with some supporting fire. Cody, can you call for reinforcements?
I should be able to get a signal out to that communications tower.
Cody, thank you for the reinforcements. Can you please send them fast? I need help. Turned it on. Let's destroy this thing. You never know. Okay. Let's try to get General. What is this? Defeat these guys. Equip. Boom, boom, boom. Damn, I'm looking like an expert right now. Okay, let's Let's blow this thing up. Let's blow this thing. Look all that. All those people. That's the enemy right there. Okay, so let's go back here and see if they did something extra. Maybe we gotta break this. Yes, we do. We gotta make a hole. Do like a square. Square meister. There you go. Boom. Now it's your job to do something here. What do you gotta do? Blow this thing up? Oh, he's a builder. Ooh.
Head to that communications tower and send a signal. We need additional fire.
Here you go. Up. Side. And another one. There you go. That's the signal.
All units come in.
Yeah. Let's get him. A pathetic clone. You wanna shoot him for me? I'll shoot him. Fine, okay. You're not doing nothing to this guy. Let's defeat him. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get him. Let's get him. Can't see nothing. Woo! I escaped that one very fast. Ooh. Ooh, he took the both arms. Oh yeah, he got nothing else to do. Ooh, now he's dead.
Your move. So uncivilized.
Ooh.
Commander, contact your troops. Tell them to move to the higher levels.
Very good, sir.
Oh, Order 66. Oh. Man. He's about to get betrayed.
Anakin, help me.
You wanted to see me, Chancellor?
Yes, it seems the Council doesn't fully appreciate your talents.
I can't believe he got a teddy bear.
They are not telling me.
Let me help you.
How do you know the ways of the Force?
My mentor taught me everything, even the nature of the dark side.
You know the dark side?
You have great wisdom, Anakin. Know the power of the dark side. The power to save Padme.
I like that when he says
The Jedi Council.
the dark side. Like the way he said it with like a really deep sound voice.
A Sith Lord?
You'll need my help if you're going
You
to arrest me.
the dark
I sense a great
side.
deal of confusion in you.
The dark side.
Wait in the council chambers until we return.
That's
Yes,
funny.
Master.
See if the stream looks okay. We're ready 2 hours and a half. Wow. I guess we're gonna go ahead and cut it a little short. Damn, we're at 51 followers. We still haven't hit our 2 like goals today. We only have 1 like. I appreciate it. Whoever liked the video, thank you so much. That will help my stream as well. And so what do you call that? I think we're gonna call it this episode the ending of this episode. Now tomorrow we're gonna continue with more Lego Star Wars. I appreciate all those that spent a little time here supporting and everything like that. I appreciate it very much.
Chancellor Palpatine.
Eventually I'm gonna do a lot more of these. Can't wait to finish with the storyline. If you guys want to see more of me doing more like side missions, let me know. I'll do my best to go through those. I'll do my best to go through those. So, but in the meantime, we'll do these missions, finish with them, and then see if we could find either another side quest mission, which is the DLCs that they have. Probably do a little bit of that, maybe. Everything is, at the end of the day, is whatever you guys want to see from me. I just gave you guys a little option here to see, to enjoy a little bit of the Lego Star Wars. Are we gonna do I'm not gonna do Call of Duty yet. I want to do more new games because there's a lot of people that do Call of Duty already. So we're gonna do something new and try out new stuff. There's plenty of games that I have on my library of games, and I'm gonna do a lot of episodes of those. But in the meantime, we have this episode 3 done for today. I appreciate everyone that came over here and showed support, and also chat, hit the chat and everything. If you guys have extra questions about either the stocks, the crypto, or even the games, feel free to do that. Even in the comments, hit the comments and everything. Reposting will help too, because other people are watching your posts and everything, and so that will help me as well. And so for the meantime, thank you guys so much. Have a good afternoon or good night for some of them that are late. And that's pretty much it, guys. Have a good afternoon. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Another episode 4 of Lego Star Wars. Take it easy, guys.